This is the elevator at Scaife Hall at Robert Morris University in Marion Township, Pennsylvania. This is thyssenkrupp, oil hydraulic, or endura elevator traditional fixtures. Loose button. Ooh, got a Atoll inside. Interesting. Go up to 2. Interior got white. This is probably installed like late 2015 or late 2016, or probably a very early 2016. Because it got the older chimes, and it got the older call ones, but it had a Atoll on the inside. Here too. Dim up here. Back down to ground. It's a traditional Atoll. 88 phone. Basic and nice cab. It does look somewhat fresh. Carpeting. So yeah, it's definitely an Endura, but non-MRO because there's a machine room next to this. Back at ground. No. Stay low. Oh, that's gonna be it. There's an extra thought that